Hello everyone, it's Birdie flying in. You are looking at what I call a M.O.M marker. Just a little light sticks on there really well, and you can even see inside of which one you're missing. Where did I get those? This is a coffee stirrer. I cut them up. And I make sure that when you cut one up, put it underneath the towel so they don't go flying off. And then, when you're ready to cover all your missed ones, you grab your color, you get your drill, and this is very important. You get your drill and have it ready, and you don't take this off until you're ready to drop that drill. Very important. All right, this is Birdie. It's one of my brilliant ideas that I had for a long time, and this is kind of a remake. Maybe I'll put the old one behind this video so you can see my original one. But easy to make, doesn't cost a thing. You can go to any fast food, coffee shop or anything, pick up a few of them, make your own M.O.M marker. This is Birdie flying off. I came up with this idea about a week after I started diamond painting, and I have used it every single time. And there's 3 uses for it, but the main one I'm going to demonstrate. Okay, so you're doing a general area, and you're using one color, and you've gone over and over it, and you're so certain that you got every single one. You will bet your life on it. Never bet your life on that. Never, ever. Okay. So you move on to your next color, and you're moving on, and of course, what happens? You missed one. You missed one. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm so certain. So you have to take your eyes off the board. You have to grab your pen. You have to go over and grab the color. Bring it back, load your pen and everything, and then you're about to place it again and go, oh, I lost track of where that was. Where is it? I can't find it. I can't find it, and it's so frustrating. You've done it. I've done it over and over again. So, what is the solution? Okay, this is the solution. Ready for it? Hollow. I call it the M.O.M marker. So before you take your eyes off the board, and then you can go away. Grab your drill, come back, pull it off, and then cover it up. And they stick, and they don't take off the adhesive because they're hollow. And you can place them anywhere that's open. And you say, okay, how did you make those? Coffee stirrers, mini straws. I had a box for years and years. See how bad it is? I think it was in the early 90s I actually bought this. And they have different colors. You can go to the fast food restaurants and they have them, you know, right there. I don't think no coffee stirrer police is going to arrest you for taking a couple of them. They all have different colors and everything. I've got the 2 colors. This is what I use, the 2 colors. I use 2 colors. Okay, so M.O.M marker is the main purpose for these. Now, just to, you cut them. Okay, you cut them, but you cut them a certain length. If you're working on a slant, you want to cut them pretty short. You do, because gravity will pull them off the board. They will fall. The longer they are, the easier they fall. But if you're working on a flat surface, you can cut them as long as you want, because that stickiness will keep them upright. So when you cut them, cut it underneath the towel. You know, get the length you want and then go underneath the towel, because they will fly off. They will fly off. I've seen them fly off, and my kittens have been chasing them around. So there's still some on the floor somewhere. Hi everyone, it's Birdie flying in. You are looking at what I call a M.O.M marker. Obviously I missed an S. Sammy, you need to get down right now. Sorry, had to do that. Take 2.